Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Green color, blue color, black color, red color, and the last one is yellow color. Kids, first we draw the capital letter alphabets. Green color. Now we draw the letter of A. The next one is B. We again use green color and now we draw the letter of C. Kids, the next one is D. Now we draw E. And the next one is F. Now we use the color of blue. F for fish. The next one is G. G for gorilla. The next one is H. And now we draw I. We again use blue color. Kids, now we draw J. The next one is K. Now we draw the letter of L. L for lion. And the next one is M. Kids, now we use black color. Now we use black color. N for nose. And the next one is O. O for orange. The next one is P. Now we draw Q. Kids, the next one is R. Now we draw the letter of S and use red color. Now we use the color of red and draw S, the letter of S. The next one is T. Now we draw the letter of U and the next one is V. We again use red color. The next one is W. Now we draw the letter of X and the next one is Y. And now we draw Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. And now we draw the number of 3. Now we draw the number of 4. And the next one is 5. Kids, now we draw 6. And the next one is 7. Now we draw the number of 8. The next one is 9. And now we draw 10. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers.